Oh, morning everyone. It is the morning. Guess what time of year it is? Ooh. Well, yeah, I'm pretty scary. Pumpkin time. Unfortunately, this isn't one I've grown. I did try my allotment. There's a link if you're interested in growing veg in the description. But this is a shop bought one. But I do love carving a pumpkin every year. I mean, I don't do the door knocking thing because that's very American. It's not. I didn't grow up with that. But when the boys were young, they used to go out and do the fun thing of going out. But it would drive Rosie mad because she's very sensitive about noises. So I do like to carve a pumpkin anyway, and we have it on our hearth lit up. So I'm going to carve this. I'm going to try and find a design on Google. I'm going to look at that now. But before I do that, I'm also going to keep some of the seeds to make a snack. Air fry them, hopefully. That should work. I do need some of them for part of the design, I think. But that's what's going on in my head. And also, I've got a merch store. Christmas is coming up. I know, the C word. Sorry about that. But I'm going to try and figure out getting a discount for it. So if I do, I'm going to put it here. For my subscribers. It's got lovely stuff, all obviously the budget cooking cup, and a lot of my allotment artwork, which isn't too bad. Pictures of the mugs and that might come up there, but I've got to promote it really, because otherwise I've got to ditch it because it costs quite a lot of money a month. I don't know what to do with it really, to be fair. I don't use specialist equipment or anything like that. It's just a big spoon for digging out the stuff, a knife, a bigger knife and a smaller knife if you have one. So yeah, it's all going to be on time lapse, so let's get to carving.